Hey guys, welcome back. I'm fired up to Kudu once again. We're going to do some baby back ribs on here. Fired up. We're probably a good 2 hours from actually putting the food on, but I have to get this wood going. I got some hickory wood stacked up over here, got it lit, and we're going to get a good bed of embers and see if we can't do somewhat of a low and slow. The low and slow will be a new experience with me over an open fire, so we'll see how we do. As soon as this wood gets burnt down some, I'm taking you inside and we'll prep these ribs and get them ready and put them on there. Okay folks, this is roughly, I don't know, just shy of 3 pounds. Baby backs. I'm just going to use a little binder, a little Worcestershire sauce, however you say that. Do both sides here. I've already taken the membrane off. I should probably show you that sometime. It's very simple to do. And this is some rib rack barbecue rub. It's the original version. And I've never used this before, so should be a treat. So I hit this up really good. Alright guys, this fire is about ready. We're gonna get these guys going. Alright, we're looking pretty good. I'm gonna leave this big log over here. We'll use that to generate more fire, more wood, and more coals. I think we're looking pretty good. Pretty good. Let's get these ribs out here. Alright, here we go. I'm excited now. My first Kudu rib cook. I may have to lower this some here in a bit. We'll just play with it. Right now I think we're in good shape. Cover up and let some smoke get at this. Alright guys, we are roughly an hour into this. Looking pretty good. I don't know how much of that you can see. Looking really good. I'm gonna turn this over. Oh yeah, we're gonna be done ahead of time. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna wrap these. I might. Give this a good spray. This is some red wine vinegar and apple juice mix. About 50-50 approximately. Check back in a little bit. Okay, while you weren't looking, I did add another piece of wood. I'm gonna turn this one over a little bit. We are about the 2 hour mark, and I'm very happy with what I'm seeing. I'm gonna check these ribs out though. I think I am going to wrap. Let's see what we got here. Looks fabulous. Oh. Coming along, coming along. I like the color. I like what I'm seeing. And I've decided I am gonna wrap these. If I can't get them tender. We'll probably only wrap for about an hour. Let's get these over here into the foil. All right. Start to get a little rib action going on. So show one, pull back. Give these a good spray while we're in the foil. So they get good and tendered up. I'm not happy with my spray bottle all of a sudden. Okay. All right. All right. We'll check back at about an hour. All right, let's take a look. I want to take a peek at this. We're about in the 3 hour mark. We've had 2 hours not wrapped, 1 hour wrapped. I do like what I'm seeing, guys, a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of the wrap. You can't see it with your camera view, but getting some good pullback here, some great color. But I'm gonna take it off of here. We're gonna finish this out of the wrap so we can let this bark reset and everything. See it better now. These. Oh yeah. We're going. Yeah, we gotta let that bark reset. We're starting to lose some daylight, guys. It is about that time of the year. I'm gonna lower this just a little bit because I'm starting to lose a little heat, but I think we got plenty to finish up. We'll check back here in a little bit. We're 3 hours in. I'm just gonna check this for tenderness. I think we are so close. It's just, yeah, we're there, guys. My internal temp is not even working. Batteries are about shot, so I can see how we're there. I'm so happy with this. Can you see that color? I guess for my glaze, I'm just simply using some Sweet Baby Ray's, the original. This is sugar-free. Guys, I'm gonna do this 2 or 3 more times, and next time you see me, we'll be inside because I'm starting to lose my light out here. 'Tis that time of the year, but everything looks, smells delicious, and I can't wait to taste this. Would you look at this, guys? That is a thing of beauty. Let's cut this up and get a taste. Beautimous. It is beautimous. There is a smoke ring for sure. A little bit. God, the smell. I smell that hickory wood. That is so juicy. So juicy. Let's get a taste of that. Been waiting 4 hours for this. Give her a taste. That is so tender. Wow. I can smell that hickory just all the way through it. I don't think it was a perfect cook. Some of that's on me learning this grill. So it'll be good. Good learning experience. Wow. One more. I gotta do one more. It does pull off the bone pretty good, which is kind of what I was after. Those flavors of that rub, that's definitely got some spice off of that. That's that rib rack barbecue rub. I've never used that before. Great flavor in here. Of course, Sweet Baby Ray's, that's the sugar-free version of their original flavor. Very good. I was very impressed with that. Guys, tell you what, on the Kudu grill, I'm learning this thing. You know, you cook on the open fire, you got your main fire, and you pull your coals over there, and then you cook off the charcoal left over. That's great. This I'm still learning because it's a smaller area, and it's good. We'll figure it out. It's all good. Great cook, guys. Great flavor. Give this a try, guys. I don't know if you can do an open fire if you don't have a Kudu. Give her a shot over an open fire somewhere. So guys, thank you so much. God bless you. If you hit the like button, if you haven't already, subscribe to us. Till next time, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.